Gates open, then up and racing, overwhelmed, draws for your lead. Camela Bang is on the outside, moving up Lorquis Tower, then moving up by the Rail Phenomenon, and on the outside Jaden Apo Papato Magalang, while Ezip is running at the tail of the field, rounding at the last 600, overwhelmed, running by the rail, running on the outside, Camela Bang, then racing in third is Magalang, running by the rail is Lorquis Tower as they swing for home. Overwhelmed this time by about 2 lengths. Running in second now by the rail, Lorquis Tower, Camela Bang, Jaden Apo Papato Magalang, and running by the rail, Phenomenon, and a long way back to Ezip, and down the stretch they come. Overwhelmed, Lorquis Tower is on the outside, one of a long shot. Overwhelmed, Lorquis Tower leveling up, and finally, Lorquis Tower, overwhelmed, Magalang, Jaden Apo Papato, then comes Camela Bang, Phenomenon, and Ezip.